My shoe.
Hey, are you happy? We're gonna go to Sumimasen.
Those tables, they're made so that have a comment.
Yeah.
You have to wear her socks.
The stroller.
Stroller, Ellie.
Yeah. drain in.
Hi everyone! Tonight's dinner I'm going to make adobo. This is very popular in the Philippines. Adobo is very easy to make because you can find all the ingredients you need in your kitchen. So anyway, I started chopping onions and garlic. Oh no, I mean first garlic and then onions, yes. By the way, when I came here in Japan, I sometimes do use Japanese vinegar and soy sauce, and that's okay. It still tastes adobo, like adobo. But if you can find Filipino soy sauce and vinegar, like this, the silver swan soy sauce and dato puti suka, I think that's much better. You can really get that original adobo taste. But anyway, let's continue. First, I heated the pan, and then once the pan is warm, I add a little oil and then let it heat. And then I saute the onions and garlic, until they're, soft and fragrant. Oh, that smell alone already feels like home. Alright, then I add the chicken. I like this type of cut for adobo. This is so difficult to find here in Japan. You can only get the drumsticks. But anyway, I season it with lots of ground pepper and then a pinch of salt. I like pepper very much. That's why, look at me, I added a lot, too much. But that's actually good. Anyway, I pour in the soy sauce. And then next is the vinegar. I don't really measure them, but if you want to copy my style, you can do this. Just taste all the time. Just kidding. And then arrange it a little. I added the remaining garlic, the chopped garlic. The more garlic in your adobo, the better. And then I added lots of ground pepper again. Next, sugar. I also add some sugar in my adobo, but sometimes I don't. And lastly, after I, kind of like mix a little, the last thing that I am going to add is the bay leaves. Oh my god, okay, yeah, the bay leaves. Alright, so this part takes time, and that's okay. I'll just, get the lid and then let it simmer together. Okay, you can wait maybe like 20 minutes and voila, you're done. 20 to 25 minutes in a low heat, okay? And then taste if the sauce is good. And then voila, you're done. So let's and enjoy. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next one.